Okay, flight crew. For tonight's exercise, I am flying at the Jersey Shore where I've lived my entire life. There's that beautiful beach. And as the sun goes down, I'm going to simulate an engine failure and see whether or not I can spin around and do a 180 and land on that beach without killing all of us. So right now I'm about 1,800 feet. And now we've drifted away from the beach line. And I'm going to kill the motor. And as the propeller stops, I'm going to start turning to the left. Okay, there it is. Let's see if we can make it back. Okay, we don't seem to be turning all that well. Come on. Still at 1,300 feet. Okay, we're making some progress here. Just past 1,000 feet. Not really sure the beach is getting any closer. You might be swimming part of this. Oh, no, we don't need to stall. Come on. Come on. Passing 500 feet. And the water's getting close and it looks very cold, especially at night. Alright, here we go. Passing 300 feet. Definitely should have made a wider turn. Oh, shut up. Always at the end. You get so close. Oh, here we go. No, come on. Keep it down. Oh, we're so close. Alright, just shut up. Oh.